So even though this is out of order, I wanted to do this before class ended, just in case this got lost in the shuffle. I wanted to talk a little bit about your homework. First, short story number 1 is due. It should be put in this folder right here. Submit your short stories here. I didn't really talk too much about length requirements, but somehow that always comes up. My general stock answer is the story needs to be at least as long as it should be, which is not very helpful to you. It seems pretty hard for me to imagine that a story you write should be less than 500 words. We've read some short stories. The School and The Baby by Barthelme were both in the sort of 1,500 word range, and the Hemingway story was about 1,500 words. I'm thinking that you should probably shoot for 1,000 words at least, and feel free, if you are inspired, to write an epic 20-page story or a novella. Or some of you, one of you, approached me about connected stories that would sort of add up to one long piece. And that would be amazing if you wanted to do that. But anyway, the point is, give me something, the best effort at a first draft in this folder by the time I check it. Unfortunately, even though it was due at the beginning of class, I am either dead or at the doctor's, so you have until I check this afternoon. There are dogs out after me. I don't know if you can hear that. And crickets, really scary crickets. The other thing I wanted to give you a heads up, if you look on the syllabus, there's something called a transcription, which is due next week. And I'm not there to sort of explain what it is, but I did sort of write a few things about what I'm expecting. And it's here, the dialogue transcription assignment and example. And I'm not going to go over it with you here, but basically in 10 seconds, the idea is use your phone to record a conversation you have with someone else, or sort of some other dynamic. Maybe there's 3 people, or you record 2 people talking to each other, or whatever. And then transcribe it. Write down what it is that they say exactly as they say it. You can leave off the ums and the, non-words. But if you click here, there's an audio example. I recorded myself and my cousin last Halloween talking about Halloween stuff, and then I recorded it. And this is something I want you to do for a variety of reasons, but one, so you can sort of see how dialogue in stories and dialogue in real life are similar and different, and how you can sort of harness the energy of real life conversation to supercharge your stories. So we'll talk more about this on Wednesday, but if you wanted to get a head start, there it is. Short story number 1 due today, dialogue transcription due next week. Now on to the next thing.